Souzana. Welcome to Love Belly Dance, my fundamental Oriental style belly dance vocabulary series. I'm going to teach you the Shaabi step. So much like we started with the sides of the miha, it starts with just a step out, together, and this can be done in 4 counts to the sides, or it can be done with 8 counts. You choose. But for now, we're going to start first with 4 counts to the side. So the tricky part of this is that when we step out to the side, we are going to come up on our toes and our heels are going to turn outward. So both our knees stay in line with our toes. So let's try it again. We're going to step out to the side and our heels pivot outward, and then what's going to happen here is this knee is going to kind of turn in. It's kind of funny. So it turns inward. So let's try it again. So it comes, drops, drops. And you'll notice that this hip comes up and over. You turn your hips to the corner and then straight forward. Knees and hips to the corner, straight forward. Okay, let's try the other direction. So right now my hips are square to my audience, and then I'm going to take this hip, I'm going to take it back, lift up, and as I do so, I'm going to lift my heels up a little bit, turn, so my knees, my toes, my hips are facing the corner. This knee is going to turn in a little bit here, and then I'm going to face forward. Turn the knee in and forward. And knee in and forward. Let's try the other direction. Knee in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 counts now. Now we're going to do it with the classic L arms here. So palms are facing out, the other palm is facing down. Pull the shoulders down away from your ears. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I lied. There's a transition. Plie through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4 counts this time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is our Shaabi step.